What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are getting my truck back. We are here at the Montreal shop where my truck was for the last month and a half while I was down on the East Coast, and we had some work done. All the bottom end of the engine was just redone, so we're gonna let them finish up, and then we're gonna get a load and get on our way back to the West Coast, Pacific, Edmonton, where I live right now, and see the wife after being away for a month and a half. So with that said, let's wait until my truck's done. We'll get loaded up and we'll get on the go. Well, guys, my truck is all fixed. It's ready to go. I'm going to be leaving here tomorrow, finally heading back west, home for a little bit, and then I'll be back on the road again, but won't be down the East Coast until after the winter probably. I'm going to watch some football here. I got my TV set up with my Fire Stick. I'm gonna watch the football game here very soon, using my phone as the internet, as I always do. But we'll leave it at that. So what they did today to my truck was basically they changed all the throwout bearings in the camshaft and adjusted all the valves. Changed out the starter, because I was having an issue with it starting, so we changed it to starter, see if that'll make a difference. Can't figure it out. Replaced a bunch of wires and everything, and I was like asking them, you know, what could it be? Why is my truck not wanting to start? But anyways, we're gonna try it out, see if it makes it back home and everything goes good. Trying to think of what else. Anyways, for now, we'll just leave it at that. I want to thank everybody before we start loading cars and stuff, for all the new subscribers, all the people that commented on my videos, and all the appreciation I got throughout the video, of people saying, you know, come back anytime or this or that. And if you don't know what video, it's the last video I did, the one stuck at the Newfoundland Ferry for 5 days. And I know someone commented on it and said, in your video you only said 4 days. You know what, it was only 4 days. However, when I write the title, it sounded right, like, you know, and obviously writing that title actually worked out because it created a lot of people coming and viewing my video. So I want to thank y'all for viewing it. I want to thank y'all for commenting. All right, guys, ended up my GoPro went dead on me last night. I ended up taking a load, the Ontario or Toronto first, and now I'm on my way back. I got 2 vehicles. They're going back to the yard. I got to pick up my load in Montreal, and then I'm heading to Alberta. Sorry I didn't record any of it. Like I said, my GoPro went dead. I had other batteries, but I was like, you know what? I'm in a rush. I want to get this done. I want to get on the road. I want to get on my way to Alberta. As, like I said, I left 1 week before Halloween, so, and now it is, what is it, December 3rd? So it's time for me to get home. It's about a month and a half I've been on the road, so, you know, by the time I get home, it will be a month and a half or a little after. I don't know how many weeks it is. I'd have to look, but I just grabbed myself a coffee here at one of the en routes, and a couple of chicken burgers from Burger King, and we're gonna head and load some cars and then head back to the yard where I'm going to drop these 2. But let's go load them 6 cars first at the car rental place. Alright, guys, so it's dark out, as you can see, but there is a bit of light here. But it's a busy road, and it's easier for me to get it done and just load everything. But you know, with the darkness, I don't know how good it's going to come out, so I didn't feel like it was necessary to record. But I got all my vehicles loaded on. Then I'm taking these 2 are going to the office, and then I'm putting 1 back on here, and then I'm heading for Ottawa to pick up 2 more. And see how they drive? They drive like retards here, so, you know, I got to be careful at that too, right? Because, you know, 4-ways on, vest on, and they still fly by me like I'm invisible. So you got to be very careful. But anyways, got them all on. I'm gonna head to the office, offload those 2 at the back, load 1 on, head for Ottawa, and then I'll pick up 2 in the morning. The 2 that I was supposed to pick up in Ottawa were gone, so I wasn't supposed to, and then they gave me 2 more after I was back almost in Montreal. So anyways, I'll finally at some point get to go home. Who knows when, but I'm a little frustrated with that, and I even told them that I'm pissed off about it. But anyways, with that said, let's get in the truck, head to the shop, offload those, grab our other one, and we'll head to Ottawa. Actually, I just thought of something before I head back to the shop. So when I pulled up here, I had this vehicle, and this vehicle on the truck. Now, when I loaded this vehicle, this here piece was here. It's not broken, I didn't hit it or nothing, but the piece is gone. So I don't know if someone took it when I got out and went in here, or at the gas station when I fueled up, or if it blew off in the wind. I don't know, but the piece is gone. And I know when I loaded it, it was there. So anyways, that's one of those things that you have to report, that, and then the boss will be like, oh, you're always breaking something. But I didn't do nothing, right? It's one of those things that happen, and unfortunately I'm the one to blame. Anyways, I just wanted to come back and say that before I went, because if I didn't, I would have forgot all about it. And I mean, I pretty much forgot about it already, because there's nothing I can do about it. But anyways, with that said, let's head to the shop. Well, I made it to Ottawa here, and I picked up my truck last night, loaded it on. So I got one more vehicle here to pick up. It's an Audi Q5, which is gonna go at the back here. And then I'm finally, listen, I'm finally gonna get to head home. So I am excited that the time has come. I'm finally there. I'm ready to get on the road and get this done and get home. I got up this morning, tried to move everything's frozen, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll lift this up, I'll lift that up, put the car on the back, put it all back down, and away I go. I don't, you know what I mean? When I get there, if it doesn't work, then we'll worry about it. But right now, I'm gonna get on the road and get going. That's that. The rest of the cars, as you can see, full load heading back. So let's get on the road. We'll head to the dealership, grab that last car, and then we'll start heading west. All right, guys. Well, we got the BMW or the Audi here. Just got to get the window on top so I can see what I'm doing, and then we can get out of here. I got some washer fluid. Washer fluid always melts ice. And it's not harmful to the car. You ever get yourself where your car won't move and you're on ice? Just take a jug of washer fluid and pour it where your tires are. It'll melt everything around it. Yeah, we'll let that sit for a minute and should be. I mean, I could wait until the car heats up and then it defrosts the window, but like, I want to get out of here. I'm right downtown in Ottawa, so. And I don't even know how, like, if I got enough room here. Alright guys, so it's dark now, and I made it to Kapuskasing in Ontario. I got a shower. I'm going to get back on the road, keep going a little farther, but I was so glad to get a shower. Besides that, my load seems to be doing good. Everything's holding out. No issues yet with cops. And you know what? I made it this far. I probably won't have any problems now because the rest of the way should be pretty good. It's usually down this end that you have the problems from, like, Hearst down, where they're local people, right? And what they do is they'll go slow, and the minute you go to pass them, they'll go fast, right? And then or they'll let you go, and you know, they're just, it's hard to explain. You'd have to be in the truck with me, but they like to call the cops. That's what they like to do, right? Whenever they see a truck, because there's an issue with truckers out here in Northern Ontario. It's not the truckers. I'd say a lot of it has to do with the way these local people drive, right? Like, but I can't speak for every trucker because I don't drive every other truck. I only drive my own. But anyways, I haven't had no issues, so I probably won't. I'm going to go another 2 hours up the road, so I should be good. I shouldn't have any issues. So with that said, let's go up the road a little further, call her a night, and then we'll get up tomorrow, and we'll head into Winnipeg, where I'm probably going to pull into Winnipeg because I'll have to do another 2 hour rest, and probably I'll do some laundry just to have it done, because you know, my clothes are dirty, and last thing I want to do is get home and have to do laundry, you know, a pile of laundry, or even have to worry about it, because I'm going to do my blankets when I get home, because it's been a month and a half with those blankets. Time for them to get washed. But anyways, with that said, let's get on the road, get going. Well, I made it to Thunder Bay without any issues. Well, I got one issue, so it's my own fault. I went and put summer washer fluid in, not thinking it was a full jug, and I was like, okay, instead of putting a half a jug in, I'll put the full jug in. Here it was summer washer fluid. Wondering why my washer fluid stopped working, had to drain it. Got the new washer fluid in, it's just a half a jug, but it's only working on the one side right now. See, I'm not getting nothing on this side, only on that side. So it's still frozen in the line on that side. But I will get it. I will get it fixed. Right now, there's no sense in getting it fixed because, like I said, I'm in Thunder Bay and all the trucks are passing me and shooting up water and mud. It's just, you know what I mean? Just a waste of time right now doing it. But I will get to it and get it fixed. Anyways, let's keep going. They just shot more mud at me. Now I gotta fix that. Well guys, we finally made it to my truck. I got her fired up, and we're gonna call her a night. Glad you watched this. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.